back to the point, Congressman Armey, that Secretary Bigby made, which is the UN Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948 did call for a right to a standard of living that would include medical care. Now, virtually every other major industrialized country observes this. Virtually every other country has a system that guarantees something close to universal coverage, often through a publicly financed program. Why should the United States be an outlier? Why American exceptionalism on that issue?
Well, because I keep going back to this point. America gives a better promise. You know, the UN resolution says, we all agree we're going to deliver the goods. America says, no, we're going to set you free. We're going to protect your liberty. I don't know why that is so hard for people to grasp. Your personal liberty is such a precious thing. Well, in little ways, the government trespasses against it. You know, government exists for the purpose of compelling people to do what they will not do voluntarily. Sometimes that's necessary, sometimes it's even good. But most times it's excessive and abusive to your liberty. Now, I just don't put a great deal of store in the UN in general, but their agreements. But why would we reduce ourselves to the rest of the world when we are so special? The fact is, America is the leading nation in the world in providing healthcare resources and discovery and invention and creation, which the Swiss, by the way, don't spend the money on. And if we were just free to let ourselves engage in private transactions, we would excel. The government can't do much with any enterprise except, what should I say, stalemate it. You have to, Armey's axiom number one, study on this, the market's rational, the government's dumb. Government is a fundamentally stupid enterprise. And I don't mean to be unkind about that. They are dumb for a clearly obvious reason. They don't know what they're doing. And I'll give you a quick example.
And then we'll give Dr. Bigby a chance to respond to the allegation of government being stupid.
And very declarative. I know and love my wife better than any person in the world. I absolutely adore her. I study everything about her with a fervor. I love her. And in 25 years, I have never once bought that woman the right birthday present. How can somebody in Washington do better for her? I don't get it. The fact of the matter is, when you're free to do for yourselves, you will do better and you'll keep the costs down.